Welcome to dear students. We shall discuss about in the subject of paleobotany. Topic is fossil fuels. Introduction. Exploration and conservation of fossil fuels. Energy crisis of the world has increased considerably due to high consumption and low production of energy. This imbalance can adjust such as fossil fuels like coal and petroleum are used. The fossil fuels can be classified into three categories: solid, liquid and gases. The first one is coal is proper solid. The second one is liquid petroleum and the third one is natural gases. The value of fossil fuels lies primarily in its calorific value. A fuel with high proportion of hydrogen, it has high calorific value, which produced for petroleum and coal and petroleum. Important, it produced for more heat combustion of than solid fuels. Majority of the fossil fuels come directly or indirectly, photosynthetic product of green plants. In this sense, when we owe most of the fuels to the sun, called solar energy, we would burn, we are merely recovering recent solar energy. When we are burning oil, coal, city natural gases, we are merely recovering ancient solar energy. Coal. Coal is an important source of heat and energy. Coal containing plant debris that has been subjected to various biochemical and geological processes. As a result, the plant debris has undergone many chemical changes and biochemical process maybe takes place. That can be as follows: darkening in color, increasing in hardness and compactness, loss of moisture, loss of volatile substance like carbon dioxide, hydrogen, oxygen, then increasing in the content of carbon. Coal is the principle of minerals, cannot be considered as a homogeneous substance. The coal containing plant materials. The plant materials, minerals are present in the form of ash. However, the trade and industries can be regarded as a minerals. The various transformation of coal can be classified into four categories: peat, lignite, bituminous, anthracite. All are related to one another, sometimes called humolith. Peat and lignite is a low rank coal. Bituminous and anthracite is a high rank coal. The chemical composition of wood, peat, lignite, bituminous and anthracite presented on the given table. The coal can be classified into another two subcategories for the various transformation of humic coals. Another one is sapropylic coals. The humic coal are otherwise known as woody coals, such things of wood, bark, land plants and swampy plants. It is one of the major important type of coal. The another one is sapropylic coals. The sapropylic coals is mainly formed by the formation of cuticles, spores, leaves, algae, fungi, planktons as the source of, moreover on distillation, yield of petroleum. The sapropylic coal is more or less a transitory stage between true coal and petroleum. Then peat. The peat is the first distinct product of coal formation. Peat is the parental material of coal. Peat is a porous, fibrous substance varying from light brown to dark brown in color. It cannot be used as a economic fuel because rich content of nitrogen. So it can be used only in the biofertilizers. The peat deposits are always occur in Hooghly rivers, both sides around Calcutta, Nilgiris, Tamil Nadu. These are the peat deposit areas. The second one is lignite. The lignite is otherwise known as called brown coal because of its characteristic features of brown in color. Lignite is likely to ignite. It readily absorbs oxygen. It cannot stored in a open places and it can be transported to a very long distance with the help of belt. It can be carbonized at low temperature ranging from 550 to 600 degrees centigrade. It burns, produces long smoky flames. The lignite seams occurs only in the tertiary rocks in India, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Kerala, Sikkim. The third coal is bituminous coal. The term comes from the word bitumen. True bitumen is absent in this type of coal. It burns. It is difficult to burn. When we are going to burning this type of coal, it produces yellow color flame. These are the main characteristic features of this type of coal. similar to that of bitumen. Moreover, on distillation this type of bituminous coal, as it is coal is the coal tar as it one of the product. The bituminous coal is otherwise known as house coaled coal. It is pitch black to dark grey in color. It is similar to that of bitumen. The bituminous coal is harder, denser and better able to stand exposure and transport than lignite. However, the bituminous coal is generally considered as all-purposes coal. The last type of the coal is called anthracite coal. The anthracite coal is hard, iron block in color. It is difficult to ignite as it is a hard coal, difficult to ignite. When we are burning this type of coal, is produces without any smoke. It produces a short pale blue color flame. It produces more heat, highly heating capacities than combustion of steam rising. It is mainly used in the combustion of steam rising, metallurgical purposes, slow combustion stoves. The super bituminous and anthracite coal is mainly formed as in formation of Rajasthan, Assam, Kashmir, West Bengal, Sikkim. Then periods of coal formations. There are three periods of coal formations. The first one is Carboniferous to Permian period. The second one is Cretaceous to Miocene period. The third one is Quaternary to post-tertiary period. In the first one, Cretaceous Carboniferous to Miocene period, all type of coals were found in this period. The second period, Cretaceous to Miocene period, all type of lignite were found in this period. And the third one is Quaternary to post-tertiary, all type of peat deposit were found in this period. Then distribution of coal field in India. The first one is West Bengal Damodar Valley, second one is Bihar Damodar Valley, the third one is Madhya Pradesh Stony Valley, the fourth one is Maharashtra Vardar Valley, the fifth one is Orissa Mahandi Valleys, the sixth one is Andhra Pradesh Godavari Valleys, the seventh one is Uttar Pradesh Kota, the eighth one is Assam Delhi Jaipur, the ninth one is Meghalaya Cherrapunji. These are the distribution of coal field in India. The second one is the distribution of lignite field in Rajasthan, Palana areas, in Tamil Nadu, Neyveli, Kadalur, Pondicherry, and the third one is Kerala, Varkala areas. The next chapter is petroleum. The petroleum is one of the major important another type of the fossil fuels. The petroleum is derived from a two Greek word. Petra means rock, oleum means oil. It is also called rock oil, mineral oil, fuel oil, liquid oil, and then etc. Today, more than 600 tons of petroleum are being utilized annually diverse purposes. DIVERSE, diverse purposes. In Egypt and China, the petroleum distillation was more familiar in several thousand years ago, but it recently in the Middle East impregnated with oil. The petroleum is highly sensitive, highly inflammable, which produced for more heat, and it can be transported economically from one place to the another place with the help of tanker, lorries, then etc. The petroleum is mainly which produced for more heat. Today, the petroleum is emerges from the ground as a thick viscous substance, evil smelling, unpleasant odor. It looks like a green color or brown color substance. This green color substance is called crude oil. Crude oil contains a mixture of hydrogen, carbons, hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons 83 to 87%. Hydrogen is 13 or 14%. A series of hydrocarbons may be present in a bulk of crude oil. A series of methane series, ethane series, isoparaffin, cycloparaffin, and then etc. Crude oil is never composed of a single hydrocarbon. A series of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, metals and other substances are present. It also containing a petrified wood, tiny shells, algae, fungi, fragments, tiny shells, shell fragments and then etc. Then origin of petroleum. Petroleum only occurs on the continental sediment, that is called as a sedimentary rock. There is no in the igneous rock. The petroleum only present on the sedimentary rock. A bulk of petroleum, if not all, marine in origin. Few petroleum deposits are always occur in the continental sediment. Crude oil contains porphyrins and nitrogen. There are two type of porphyrin is there. One is the plant porphyrin, another one is the animal porphyrin. The plant porphyrin is made up of chlorophyll content, and the animal porphyrin is mainly present in the form of hemoglobin. The plant porphyrin is more important than that of the animal porphyrin. The plant porphyrin is which produced for the clear chlorophyll content, rich amount of hydrocarbons are present. In the presence of air, the microscopic organism of a plants and animals in a sealed planktons as the source of petroleum. The petroleum in the presence of air, the organic matters are decomposed, completely destroyed. The decomposition of the organic matter in the presence of oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water is the end product. However, by the action of anaerobic bacteria, hydrocarbons is derived from a series of methane series, ethane series, benzene, cycloparaffin, acetylene. These are collectively called as shrub of corpses. These shrub of corpses under the weather, pressure, temperature and by the action of bacteria, what is become today petroleum. The petroleum is explored on the pipe is very deep, more deep, 5,000 feet and above. The oil is present in the surface strata before that impervious rock. It is often associated with covered by many number of acetylene, benzene and other substances is collectively called a shrub of corpses. Whether the pressure and temperature, it will produces a marsh of gas called methanes. So these are the origins of petroleum and mining of petroleum. The next one is searching of oil. How to search the oil? To explore in three methods. One is the aeromagnetic method, the second one is gravimetric method, the third one is palynological method. When compared to the above said method of gravimetric and aeromagnetic method, the palynological method is one of the major important method. Recently, it continuously to follow this method to study of pollen grains. It is usable as the source of petroleum. Then refining of petroleum. Petroleum often possesses unpleasant odor, evil smelling. It containing a dark green or sometimes dark brown color substance. Dark green color substance is already told for crude oil. The crude oil contains of algae, fungi, tiny shells, shell fragments, bituminous, anthracite, all type of contamination of the materials are present. Petroleum often possesses bulk of petroleum poured on the boiler steam at different fractions, different boiling ranges. These different fractions and different boiling ranges is termed as refining of petroleum. Then flow sheet for petroleum. What is the first one is the product, the second one is the uses. The first product is gases used fuel purposes. The second one is gasoline. It can be subcategories into two categories. One is petroleum ether, another one is petroleum. So the petroleum ether used as a solvent. The petroleum used in motor vehicles, 3-wheelers, 4-wheelers, 2-wheelers, and then etc. and dry cleaning purposes. The third one is kerosene, illuminant, fuel for stove. The fourth one is gas oil. It is used in the diesel engine. The fifth one is called residual oil. These residual oil can be three categories. The first one is lubricating. The second one is paraffin waxes. The third one is residue, final preparation of material called as a residue. The first one is lubricating oil, preparation of lubricants. The second one is preparation of candles and ointments. The third one is called as residue. The last substance is a residue as a thick viscous substance. Moreover, on distillation to produce coal tar for road surfacing and preparation of paints. The last one is synthetic petrol. The synthetic petrol is extracted from the coal paste artificially to suit need of some countries. There is no oil field at all. In India, excavation and exploration method is formed by the method of ONGC, Oil Natural Gas Commission.